Extremely severe cyclonic storm Tauktae, Burmese pronunciation, was a powerful tropical cyclone in the Arabian Sea that became the strongest tropical cyclone to make landfall in the Indian state of Gujarat since the 1998 Gujarat cyclone, and one of the strongest tropical cyclones to ever affect the west coast of India. The Second Depression, First Cyclonic Storm, First Severe Cyclonic Storm, First Very Severe Cyclonic Storm, and First Extremely Severe Cyclonic Storm of the 2021 North Indian Ocean cyclone season, Tauktae originated from a tropical disturbance, which was first monitored by the India Meteorological Department on May 13. The disturbance drifted eastward and organized into a deep depression by May 14. The storm soon took a northward turn, continuing to gradually intensify, and the system strengthened into a cyclonic storm and was named Tauktae later that same day. Tauktae continued intensifying into May 15, reaching severe cyclonic storm status later that day. Tauktae began to parallel the coast of the Indian states of Kerala, Karnataka and Maharashtra, before rapidly intensifying into a very severe cyclonic storm, early on May 16. Early on May 17, Tauktae intensified into an extremely severe cyclonic storm, reaching its peak intensity soon afterward. Later that same day, Tauktae underwent an eyewall replacement cycle and weakened, before restrengthening as it neared the coast of Gujarat, making landfall soon afterward. After making landfall, Tauktae gradually weakened as it turned northeastward, moving further inland. On May 19, Tauktae weakened into a well-marked low-pressure area. Tauktae brought heavy rainfall and flash floods to areas along the coast of Kerala and on Lakshadweep. There were reports of heavy rain in the states of Goa, Karnataka and Maharashtra as well. Tauktae resulted in at least 122 deaths in India, and left another 81 people missing. There were also 5 deaths reported in Pakistan. The storm displaced over 200,000 people in Gujarat. The cyclone also caused widespread infrastructure and agricultural damages to the western coast of India. Upwards of 40 fishermen were lost at sea when their boats were caught in the cyclone. Mumbai also experienced impacts from the storm, with airports being closed for safety reasons. The city experienced their highest ever recorded wind gust at 114 km per hour, 70 miles per hour. Power outages and other electrical problems also prevailed in the impacted regions. The cyclone made landfall in Gujarat the same day as India recorded its, at the time, highest single-day COVID-19 death toll, with 4,329 deaths reported. Thousands of people in Kerala and Karnataka are seeking refuge in relief camps, with many homes damaged by extreme weather. According to the chief ministers of both states, India's National Disaster Response Force (NDRF) has deployed more than 100 teams across 6 coastal states to help efforts on the ground. The Indian Navy has rescued 132 people on board a barge that went adrift in the Arabian Sea near Mumbai hours before a very severe cyclonic storm with winds gusting up to 185 km per hour made landfall on the Gujarat coast, an official said on 18 May. Barge P-305, the ONGC vessel that sank off Mumbai during Cyclone Tauktae, leading to the death of at least 51 people on board, had broken free of its anchor shortly after midnight on May 16, the Petroleum Ministry has confirmed. The Navy had deployed 3 of its frontline warships after receiving messages to rescue 410 people on board 2 barges off the Mumbai coast on 17 May. The ships deployed to extend assistance to the 2 barges were INS Kolkata, INS Kochi and INS Talwar.